Ever feel like your body needs a reset button? A way to clean out the old and bring in the new? What if I told you that this powerful process is built right into your biology and you can switch it on just by changing when you eat? Today, we're diving deep into the incredible science of autophagy, your body's natural cleanup crew, and how even a short 14-hour fast can start this amazing transformation. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll understand how fasting isn't just about weight loss. It's about fundamentally rejuvenating your body from the inside out. So, what exactly is autophagy? Imagine your body is a bustling city. Over time, some buildings get old, trash piles up in the streets, and some factories start running inefficiently. Autophagy is like a highly efficient city-wide cleaning and recycling program. It's a process where your cells identify old, damaged, or dysfunctional components like misfolded proteins and worn-out organelles and break them down. But it doesn't just throw them away. It recycles these components into new building blocks and energy, helping to repair and regenerate your cells. It's the ultimate form of cellular spring cleaning. This process is happening all the time at a low level, but certain things can really ramp it up, and one of the most powerful triggers is fasting. When you stop eating for a period of time, your body's energy landscape changes. Instead of getting a constant supply of glucose from food, your insulin levels drop, and another hormone called glucagon rises. This shift is a key signal that tells your cells, hey, resources are scarce, it's time to get efficient and clean house. And that's when autophagy kicks into high gear. Think of it as your body's survival mechanism. It's saying, let's get rid of the junk and use what we have to become stronger and more resilient. This is why fasting is considered such a potent health hack. It directly stimulates this essential built-in repair system. Now you might be wondering, how long do I need to fast to get these benefits? The exciting news is, you don't need to go on extreme, multi-day fasts to start the process. Research suggests that autophagy begins to ramp up after about 12 to 14 hours of fasting. This is why intermittent fasting schedules like 16 to 8, where you fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window, have become so popular. Just by finishing dinner at p.m. and not eating again until a.m. the next day, you're giving your body a 14-hour window to activate this powerful cellular cleanup. During this time, your cells start diligently identifying and clearing out damaged proteins and other cellular debris that can contribute to aging and disease. It's a foundational step towards better overall health. Let's zoom in on one of the most critical parts of your cells, the mitochondria. These are the tiny powerhouses that generate almost all of the energy your body needs to function. As we age or due to stress and poor lifestyle, our mitochondria can become damaged and less efficient. This is like having a power plant that's old and sputtering, producing more pollution, in this case, harmful free radicals, and less energy. The result? You feel tired and your risk for chronic diseases goes up. This is where a specific type of autophagy called mitophagy comes in. Mitophagy is the targeted removal of damaged mitochondria. Longer fasts, especially those around 24 hours, have been shown to significantly boost this process. By clearing out these faulty power plants, your body makes space for new, healthy mitochondria to grow. This is a game changer for your energy levels. When your mitochondrial function improves, your ability to produce energy efficiently goes way up. You feel more vibrant, more alert, and your body is simply working better on a fundamental level. It also enhances your body's ability to switch from burning sugar to burning fat for fuel, a state known as metabolic flexibility, which is key for maintaining a healthy weight and stable energy. One of the most well-known benefits of fasting is its profound impact on your metabolic health, specifically insulin sensitivity. Let me break it down. Every time you eat carbohydrates, your blood sugar rises, and your pancreas releases insulin to help shuttle that sugar into your cells for energy. In our modern world, with frequent meals and snacks, insulin levels are often chronically elevated. Over time, your cells can become resistant to insulin's signal, a condition called insulin resistance. This means your pancreas has to work harder and harder, pumping out more insulin to do the same job. This is a direct path to type 2 diabetes and a host of other metabolic problems. Fasting gives your system a much-needed break. When you fast, your insulin levels fall and stay low. This gives your cells a chance to reset and become sensitive to insulin again. With improved insulin sensitivity, your body becomes much more efficient at managing blood sugar. You don't get those dramatic spikes and crashes, your energy is more stable, and your pancreas doesn't have to work overtime. Regular fasting is one of the most effective lifestyle strategies for improving blood sugar management and dramatically lowering your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Now let's talk about a silent troublemaker. In the body, chronic inflammation. While short-term inflammation is a healthy response to injury or infection, long-term, low-grade inflammation is linked to nearly every major chronic disease, including heart disease, arthritis, and even certain cancers. This chronic inflammation is often fueled by factors like a poor diet, stress, and a buildup of cellular waste. Another related issue is oxidative stress, which is damage caused by unstable molecules called free radicals. Fasting tackles both of these issues head-on. First, by triggering autophagy, it helps clear out the cellular debris that can promote inflammation. A cleaner cell is a less inflamed cell. Second, fasting has been shown to decrease the levels of inflammatory markers in the bloodstream. Studies have demonstrated that regular intermittent fasting can lead to a significant reduction in C-reactive protein, a key indicator of systemic inflammation. By lowering both inflammation and oxidative stress, you're not just managing symptoms. You're addressing one of the root causes of chronic disease, helping to protect your body for the long haul. Your brain is an incredibly energy-hungry organ, and its health is tightly linked to your metabolic health, so it's no surprise that fasting has remarkable benefits for your brain too. When you fast, your body produces molecules called ketones, which are an alternative fuel source for the brain derived from fat. Ketones are not just fuel. They also act as signaling molecules that have protective effects on brain cells. Furthermore, fasting boosts the production of a protein called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF. You can think of BDNF as miracle grow for your brain. It supports the survival of existing neurons and encourages the growth of new ones, which is crucial for learning, memory, and overall cognitive function. People who practice intermittent fasting often report feeling sharper, more focused, and mentally clear. This isn't just a feeling. It's backed by science. The combination of reduced inflammation, improved energy supply via ketones, and increased BDNF creates an environment where your brain can thrive. Enhanced autophagy during fasting also plays a protective role by cleaning out protein aggregates, like the amyloid plaques associated with Alzheimer's disease. While more research is needed, this suggests that fasting could be a powerful strategy for protecting your brain health as you age and potentially lowering the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. So let's tie this all together. By stimulating autophagy, improving mitochondrial function, enhancing insulin sensitivity, reducing inflammation, and boosting brain health, fasting has the potential to do something truly remarkable, extend your health span and possibly even your lifespan. Health span is the period of your life where you're healthy and free from disease. By promoting these deep cellular repair and rejuvenation processes, you're not just preventing disease. You're actively building a more resilient, youthful body at the cellular level. This cellular rejuvenation is the cornerstone of longevity. The goal isn't just to live longer, but to live better for longer, and fasting appears to be a powerful tool to help us achieve that. If you're inspired to try this, how do you start? Remember, consistency is more important than intensity. A 14 to 16-hour fast each day is a great starting point. An easy way to do this is to simply stop eating after an early dinner and have a later breakfast. And here's a pro tip: light exercise, like a brisk walk during the end of your fasting window, can further stimulate autophagy, giving you even more bang for your buck. Of course, it's crucial to listen to your body, stay hydrated with water, and remember that fasting isn't for everyone, especially pregnant women or those with certain medical conditions. Always check with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet. Fasting isn't a magic bullet, but it is a profoundly powerful science-backed tool for tapping into your body's own innate healing intelligence. It's about working with your biology, not against it, to unlock a new level of health and vitality. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this information helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into health and science. We'd love to hear about your experiences with fasting in the comments below. See you in the next video.